Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinka's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve Wi-Fi issues on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly or won't connect, this should be a straightforward process. Without further ado, let's jump right in. First, open the search menu and type troubleshoot. The best result should be troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open it. On the right side, scroll down and select Additional Troubleshooters. Under Get Up and Running, choose Internet Connections and click Run the Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen prompts to see if it resolves your issue. If the problem persists, open the search menu again and type Command. Select Command Prompt, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, select Yes. Next, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message saying Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Then you will need to restart your computer to complete the reset. After restarting, your Wi-Fi should be working properly. It's a simple and effective process. I hope it was helpful. As always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.